This one is different. This one is that we have a 2 in front of 2x. Okay. Now you can see comparing here for the same x, and then you have a use 2. This 2 comes from here. Okay, comes from here. To multiply every value here. So you have a 0.25, then times 2 you got 0.5, and here 2 times 2 to the negative 1 is 2 times 0.5, you got 1. 2 to the 0, you multiply 2 to the 0, so you have a 2 to the 1, 2 times 1, which is 2. And here use 2 times that, you have 4, and use 2 times 2 squared, so you have a 2 times 4, you have 8, and here you have a 16. Okay. So if you draw the picture, and then here you can see negative 2.5, negative 2 here, 0.5, that's 1/2. The second point is negative 1, 1. Third point is 0.2. And then you have a fourth point is 1/4. And then here x is 2, you have 8. And x is 3, you have 16. Okay, very tall. So you connect all the points by a smooth line, you should have a curve. Again, here is greater than 1, so function is increasing. And this constant 2 in front of original exponential function change the y-intercept. That's the point I want to make. Previously, what was the intercept? X is 0, you have 2 to the 0, you have 1. Now 1 times anything is that thing. So here we have a 2, so intercept will no longer be 1, it's 2. So this constant is very important in front of the original one. It basically is the y-intercept. Okay, that's important remarks. You got to remember that. Okay, now let's look at this function from different perspective. We know 2 is 2 to the first, and 2 times 2 to the x is 2 to the x plus 1. It's just add those two exponents. And then, 2 to the x plus 1, there's 1 positive is minus negative 1. Why do I need to do that? Look, comparing to this picture, what we draw just now, this one. Okay, this one this is what we have for y equals 2 to the x, and this one is y equals 2 to the x minus negative 1. Okay, that's what we get. Now, comparing those two pictures. Previously, let's look at this point. Here is 1, 4. Here is 2, 4. And here is 1, 0. Here is 2, 0. Okay. Here is 3, 8. Here is 2, 8. So 3, 8, 2, 8, 2, 4, 1, 4. 1, 2, and then I should write 0, 2 here. 0, 2. Then you can see it appears at this point, at this graph, 1 unit shifting to the left. That's the point I want to make. X minus -1 is shift the original picture 1 unit to the left. Okay, you see 3, 8, 2, 8. 1, 4 from 2, 4. 0, 2 from 1, 2. Okay, where does this point go? You can see clearly here. If it's 1 point to the left, here you see 0, 1 is going to be -1, 1. This point, 1 unit to the left. It was here, y-intercept 0, 1. But now if you shift this point to here, you have a 0, 2. So here that's why the y-intercept is 0, 2 is because this point shift right here. Okay. And then previously you have this point. It was negative, let's say this point, -1.5. Now it will be like -2.5. You see, -2.5 here. Okay, 1/2 is 0.5. Okay, so actually right here we have some graph shifting effect. You can see from those two pictures. Okay, please review this lecture, and then I'll see you next time.